Hi, I'm Melissa Muir. In one of my previous videos with Foredom, I introduced you to the bench lathe and a few of the different attachments that you can use with this. In this video, I'd like to talk about a few different accessories that are available. Now, you might be familiar with some of these little silicone polishing wheels, but did you know that they also come in a larger size so that you can work a little larger scale? This is just one of the items that we're going to talk about. Let's take a look now and see what they have to offer. The unitized wheels are a non-woven fiber coated with aluminum oxide or silicon carbide abrasive. Your softer densities are going to be best for decorative finishing as they conform more readily to the contour surfaces and create a more uniform finish. So you can get a really good brushed look on there with these. You also have some that are available in harder densities, and these are going to be ideal for light deburring, oxide and fire scale removal, cleaning and blending, and also some decorative finishing. Now, these bigger ones are 4 inches. They are non-mounted, which means that you can just put them directly onto your tapered spindle. Now, another offering that is kind of fun through Foredom are these Eve wheels. Now, you guys might be familiar with some of these in a much smaller version for your flexible shaft. Now, these are 2.5-inch wheels that are going to be used with our wheel mandrel. So you'll just put this through anytime you have that 1/4-inch hole. You're going to want this wheel mandrel here. Now, I have 3 of the options, but there are actually 7 different types that you can use. Now, in this case, I have a couple of the universal silicone wheels, and these are going to be great for smoothing and grinding, preparing larger cast pieces for a final polish. You want to use these on ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Then there's also a couple that I don't have here, which are going to be platinum wheels, and those will be used for platinum, stainless steel, chrome, and some of the other harder metals. Now, the other one that we have, which is really kind of nice, is a pumice wheel. And this is going to be for finishing metals that already are set with natural and man-made gemstones. The thing that's kind of cool about this being larger is you can either use on the face of it or you can use it on the side. And if you have a diamond file, you can reshape these. You can put in grooves, whatever you need to do so that it works for your piece. To use this, we would just open this up. I'm going to insert one of the outer mounting brackets, followed by a washer, then my wheel. In this case, I have a pumice Eve wheel that I'm using, and finish this up by putting this back in. Now, this is a right-sided mount only because you don't want to have this unscrew and cause issues. So you would, again, just slip this on, use your Allen key to tighten this up, and once again, we're ready to go. So another new offering from Foredom are the sanding belts. Now these are really nice. They're 4 inches in diameter by 1 inch wide. They've got aluminum oxide. They come in 80, 120, 220, 340, 600, and 1000 grit. You can buy them individually or as a kit. Now they are meant to be mounted onto their rubber wheel. And these wheels are going to be a little bit stiff to get onto, and that's exactly what you want so that you hold everything into place. So just work it on slowly as you put that on. This is definitely not meant to be used on flex shaft hand pieces. To mount these, what you want to do is just get the edge of this onto the rubber wheel itself, and then I like to just kind of work my way around and just push it down and onto the wheel. Once you have your sanding belt mounted onto the rubber wheel, you can then use that on the taper spindled end of your bench lathe. The sanding belts are ideal for use on metals, composites, and wood. These are going to be great for jewelers and knife makers, gunsmiths, and woodworkers. So as you can see, there's a lot of accessories that are out there, and we definitely have you covered, whether it is grinding and sanding all the way up to polishing. There's definitely something that's going to be there that's going to fit the job that you need.